fighting, even more dangerous, like or dangerous activity.
Make it sumo wrestling.
Shark fighting. Shark fighting. I like shark fighting. Out of water with the lens. Shark fighting. Okay, and you do all the sound effects. What are you going to do the sound effects for myself? Okay.
Sorry, could you do my zip?
Yeah.
It's broken.
John, I'm not going to lie, I think you lose a bit of weight. Yeah, no. But don't worry, I'll put mine on as well. My wetsuit.
Could you let her out first?
Zip me up, zip me up.
Yeah, sure.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
I was holding a razor for no.
Yeah, right, yeah. Sharks don't like blood, do they?
I'll zip you up, okay? I'll zip you up.
Do you know what? No, I'll do it myself. God, there's cats everywhere.
Just zip, alright?
I'll leave it undone, it's fine.
Alright. I'm really psyched.
It's fine.
Are you psyched?
I'm psyched. The sharks are out there, we're ready. Cake them. Cake them. Take them. Take them. I should have thrown cake at them, but it probably wouldn't work.
I didn't get what you fucking said.
Cake, I don't know.
I'm going to put on our favourite shark fighting hunting music. Okay, I'm going to turn it on right now.
Oh, yeah, this is ironic. Oh, what is it? No, I mean that film.
You're going to get in first? Push ya, didn't I?
Oh, didn't jump in, did I? Oh, fine, we'll do it from here. I'll get my harpoon. God, it's empty.
Broken.
Do you know what? I'll just get my gun, because I like guns.
Okay, I'll get my harpoon.
Mine will be a shotgun.
Kevin, all your things broken.
No, let's try another one. Let's try a rifle.
Whoa! It's a self-firing rifle. You just say right and it fires.
Okay, well, let's just try it.
Tell me when.
I think the sharks are mocking us.
No, I'm going to cock back my gun.
Can you just get some lube for that?
That might loosen it up a bit. Yeah. Shit. Oh, God. Oh, God, one's dead. Oh, God.
You can hear it squirming.
Oh, God.
I think it's a person.
Oh, shit. This is not good for my insurance.
Are you okay?
No.
He's fine.
Oh. Well, I'm just going to put this down.
Okay, well, I find a shotgun works a lot better, but if you've got a big whale gun, that's even better, right? Check this out. It's got a silencer, so it muffles the sound a bit.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and watch me fire it. You gotta stand behind me.
Oh, okay.
So it's quite a big cock back. You ready?
I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it.
I'm gonna fire in 3, 2, 1. It was quite a disappointing ending.
I think the best way, let's just fish them in. Let's just fish them in. Not fish them in, but fish them in.
Okay.
My diction is terrible. Right, I'm going to throw it. I'm going to throw the line in.
Okay, I tell you what, I'm gonna just get in, splash around, and try and coax them towards us.
And then I'll grab the shark. I'll grab it.
Okay, let me just turn on the oxygen tank. Fuck's sake, I keep taking that. I'm actually gonna jump in for real now.
Let's just see if we've got clearance. I'll radio for clearance so we don't do that happen. This is Shark hunting mode 1. Come in. Hello? I'm just getting static. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. Have we got clearance to jump in?
Yes.
Good. Yeah.